Good evening guys. Today I am back with again video from chemistry on the topic redox reactions for specially JEE main student. This topic from JEE weightage contain 3.3% and all the student from this section will get a direct questions. Now let us discuss redox reaction. So before discussing the redox reaction, we should know the basic concepts of oxidation and reduction. As you guys already know, it is a basic that redox reactions is a reaction in which both oxidation and reduction are occurring. So firstly, we should clear the concepts what is oxidation and what is reduction. So firstly, let us go with oxidation. What is oxidation? In simple term, oxidation means addition of oxygen or removal of hydrogen. So it is a basic. So oxidation is in the basic sense mean addition of oxygen to a compound or a molecule and removal of hydrogen. On the other hand, reduction also mean addition of a hydrogen and removable of oxygen. Means both are counter to each other. In one, oxygen is entering and in another one, hydrogen is entering. Now, in main format, in basic, which is useful definition of oxidation and reduction, that oxidation means loss of electron. That when a atom in a molecule or a compound loss an electron, then it undergoes oxidation. On the other hand, when an atom in a molecule or a compound gains a electron, then it undergo reduction. So this is the basic chemical equation representing oxidation and reduction, in which two atoms A and B are going in a chemical reaction to generate product A and B, in which both are in zero oxidation state, but after the reaction, during the formation of product, the element A lose an electron and have a positive charge, then it undergoes oxidation. On the other hand, other element B gain an electron and it attain negative charge, and it means reduction. In oxidation and reduction, there are two agents which are commonly used, which are oxidizing agent and reducing agent. So oxidizing agents are the compounds or atoms or agents which can accept an electron, and hence they are called electron acceptor. Mean oxidizing agent in a chemical reaction accept an electron and they undergo reduction. On the other hand, reducing agents in a chemical reactions are elements or compounds which donate an electron, and hence they are a work as a electron supply in a chemical reaction. Means oxidizing agents undergo reduction and reducing agents undergo oxidation. Now, to understand how oxidizing agent and reducing agents work in a chemical reaction, let us take an example. Now, first one, this is a chemical reaction in which reactants are oxidizing agents and product are reducing agents. So as you can see in the chemical reaction, oxidizing agents after accepting an electron, they undergo reduction and they form reducing agents. And this is for the forward reaction, and similarly for the backward reducing agents undergo oxidation by release of electron and they form oxidizing agents. This is a reversible process. Now let us take another example of iron ions, in which iron 2 atoms in aqueous solution can act as a reducing agents. Iron 2 atom undergoes oxidation by release of an electron and hence forming iron 3 plus cations in aqueous solution, and hence after it works as an oxidizing agent. So as you know, oxidizing agents undergo reduction. So similarly, iron 3 positive cation in aqueous solution undergo reduction by accepting an electron and hence forming iron 2 positive cations. So redox reactions are the reactions which involve oxidation and reduction, and in redox reaction both oxidation and reduction can be occur simultaneously. If it is not done simultaneously, then it not leads. The oxidation or reduction portion of redox reaction, in which there is a gain of electron and a loss of electron, can be determined by half chemical reactions. Types of redox reactions. So basically there are two types of redox reaction which we will discuss here: intermolecular redox reaction and intramolecular redox reaction. So let us first explain intermolecular redox reaction with example. So in intermolecular redox reaction there is both oxidation, the one molecule of the reactant will undergo oxidation, will oxidize, and the another molecule of the reactant will go reduction. So this is the example of intermolecular redox reaction, in which nitrate, hydrogen sulfide, water, H plus ions will undergo to form product in which ammonia positive charge and HS4 negative. So in this chemical reaction, nitrate ion NO3 negative will undergo oxidation. It loses the electron and it forms NH4 positive, and the same hand hydrogen sulfides will undergo reduction and form HSO4 negative anion. So this is the example of intermolecular redox reaction. Now after first one, which is intermolecular redox reaction, the second one is intramolecular redox reaction. So this is the example. As you can see, in intramolecular redox reaction, in which one atom of a reactant will undergo oxidation, and whereas another atom of same molecule of the reactant will undergo reduction. If it is done by, both oxidation and reduction is done by different atom of same molecule, then it is called intramolecular redox reaction. So now let us see in example, which is KCl O3 negative O3 negative charge 2, in which chlorine atom will undergo reduction, whereas oxygen atom will undergo oxidation. Now we have to discuss types of redox reactions. So basically there are two types of redox reaction which we will discuss here: intermolecular redox reaction and intramolecular redox reaction. So let us first explain intermolecular redox reaction with example. So in intermolecular redox reaction there is both oxidation, the one molecule of the reactant will undergo oxidation, will oxidize, and the another molecule of the reactant will go reduction. So this is the example of intermolecular redox reaction, in which nitrate, hydrogen sulfide, water, H plus ions will undergo to form product in which ammonia positive charge and HS4 negative. So in this chemical reaction, nitrate ion NO3 negative will undergo oxidation. It loses the electron and it forms NH4 positive, and the same hand hydrogen sulfides will undergo reduction and form HSO4 negative anion. So this is the example of intermolecular redox reaction. This is JEE, means previous year questions which I come here to solve for you. So this is x is coefficient, y coefficient, z coefficient. This is chemical reaction. So we have to know what is the value of x, y, z in this chemical reaction, and we are given the values of x, y, z with different options. So the best technique is eliminate. So I am taking the first option. So I already, for these values of x, y, z, after putting the values of 2, 1, 3 in this, I already solved number of elements for the reactant. So here is a basic rule which you also want to know, that these two where we should keep ending, and sodium x is equal to 2, 2 to 4, and y is equal to 1, then 1, 5. So from this y is equal to 1, so bromine is 1. So for a balance, is bromine is 1, then we should have 1 is there. So if bromine 1 and sodium ion is 1, but total we have made 5, then remaining 4, and let's see, chlorine is 3, but here chlorine is 4. So this case is not. Now after first one, which is intermolecular redox reaction, the second one is intramolecular redox reaction. So this is the example. As you can see, in intramolecular redox reaction, in which one atom of a reactant will undergo oxidation, and whereas another atom of same molecule of the reactant will undergo reduction. If it is done by, both oxidation and reduction is done by different atom of same molecule, then it is called intramolecular redox reaction. So now let us see in example, which is KCl O3 negative, O3 negative charge 2, in which chlorine atom will undergo reduction, whereas oxygen atom will undergo oxidation. So now I am coming with another equation, another previous year questions, and last one for today. I am sorry, but due to time only. This is the chemical reaction in which H2SO3 aqueous and SN4 positive water going the chemical reaction forming SN2 positive, HSO4 negative, and 3H positive. So we have to choose which statement is correct. So first one is H2SO3 is reducing agent because it undergo oxidation. H2SO3 is reducing agent because it undergo reduction. SN4 positive is reducing agent because it undergo oxidation. SN4 positive is oxidizing agent because it undergo oxidation. So as I already discussed, heat and trial method, let us eliminate. So H2SO3 is reducing agent undergo oxidation. As you know, reducing agents go oxidation, it is right, but reducing agent it undergo reduction, it is false, because reducing agents undergo oxidation. So this is false. This is also oxidizing agent undergo oxidation. This is also. So only two statements are left, that reducing agent undergo oxidation, reducing agent it undergo oxidation. Now let us come to equation. Here it is also doing SN4 positive to SN2 positive oxidation, but it is not doing so much in this chemical equation. But in the case of H2SO3 negative, it undergoes oxidation with this, and also this is oxidation by loss of electron and act as a reducing agents. So the correct statement is first one, that H2SO3 is reducing agent because it undergo oxidation. So that's all for today from myself. If you like my videos, then please subscribe and comment. If you encourage me, then definitely I will make many one for you, because I have qualified JEE main on without in coaching and IIT JAM and recently passed out from NIT Manipur. So if you encourage me more, then definitely I help you a lot in clearing all the exams which are having chemistry in their core. So thank you guys. Good night.